Hey guys, today we got a cab high fiberglass Leer 100R series. Fits the 02 to 08 Ram with the 6.4 bed. Burgundy in color. It's in pretty decent shape. It's not bad. It's got some minor issues on it. Little scuff mark right there. Some dirt there. It has a slight little bit of fade there on the edge, but it's really not even, can't even really see it. A little bit of a chip right there. Got flies from the farm next door. A little bit of a scuff mark right there. Scratch. Yeah, it's more of a scuff mark. Bottom edge looks pretty good. No major damage on the bottom edge. A couple little scratches, kind of like right there, little chip marks. A little bit of a scratch right there. It goes up on the window. Yeah, I don't know what that is. Actually, more like glue. Looks like it would probably come off. A little scuff mark there, and then a couple of minor chips on the edge, and then on the back corner as well. Half side sliders on the side. Picture window in the front. Paint looks pretty good there. Just kind of, I don't even know what that is. Probably tree sap or something on the top edge of this. Does have some scratches right there. Like it's probably hit the back of the cab or something. Some minor scratches there. Not really all bad. Not too bad through there. Minor scuff mark right there. It looks good through there. On this side of the top edge looks pretty good. Very minor paint fade up there in the up on the top there. Like, yeah, it's just dirt. Maybe a little bit of paint fade starting right there too, but minor chip right there. Bottom edge on this side looks pretty good. Don't see any damage on this side at all. Just maybe some paint. I mean, just not a scratch. Probably was made that way. Probably a little bit of paint issues there. Half side slider on this side as well. Double T-handle locking rear door. A little bit of paint flake behind the brake light there, and a little bit of a scuff mark on the top. I'm sure you can see it. There it goes. Sun's reflecting in my eyes really good. I can't see it. No major damage there. Like I said, there's the chips we looked at earlier. Inside is just bare fiberglass. Screens on this side, pretty good shape. No damage on the screens that I see. A little bit of a snag right there. That's the worst case right there. Screens on this side, pretty good. Don't see any holes on this side at all. Serial number 100R 65DR, so that's 6.5 foot bed, 02 to 08 Ram. The 6.4 bed. So there it is. It's got a cab high Leer in burgundy. It's a 2002 to 2008 Dodge Ram with a 6.4 bed. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is. You can purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up online. That can all be done from that link there. There's also a link to our website in general, so if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, lift kits, things like that, those can all be purchased online. Just log into our website there and pop it into the search bar and it should come right up for you. If you're looking for something particular for your truck, and you're looking, maybe you want a truck cap you're waiting for it to come in, something to fit your truck. We upload to YouTube and the website as soon as we get inventory in, so you want to subscribe below to keep up to date on inventory coming in. As with all our truck caps, they are local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.